How to write a post on Etoro. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to post something on your profile in Etoro app. So first thing we do, we go to Etoro. As you can see, this is the home page. Now if you want to post something like these people here, they are posting posts daily. All you have to do is click on this pencil here, click on it, and now here you go, you can write anything like how to media and click post here, and your post was published. As you can see, that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And this is my post, as you can see. See ya in the next video.